Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to organize your workspace by adding tags to your database entries. Let's get started. First, navigate to whichever database you'd like to organize with tags. You'll notice many databases come with a tag property already set up. If yours doesn't have one yet, just click the plus icon to add it, then click inside that field to start working with tags. Here's something handy. When you create a new tag, it becomes available across your entire database, so you can reuse it for any other entry. Creating a tag is simple. Just type what you want to call it and hit enter, or click the create button that appears. Perfect! Your tag is now created and automatically applied to this item. There's no limit here. Feel free to build out as many tags as you need to organize your database effectively. When you open the tag field on any other entry, you'll see all the same options available to choose from. Once you've tagged your items, you can use those tags to filter, sort, and quickly find exactly what you're looking for. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add and manage tags in your database. Feel free to run through this again anytime.